This library tutorial will show you how to get MacLinks, which is a button that will connect you to the full text of your article or book to appear in your Google Scholar search results. On the top left corner of the screen, you will see three horizontal lines. Click on it, then select Settings. Then click Library Links, and in the search box, type in McAllister. This should prompt Macalester College MacLinks full text to appear below. Check the box next to it, then click Save. Remember, if you clear your browser cookies, you will have to resave this setting. Now, if you do a search in Google Scholar, you should see MacLinks full text in your search results. If not, you can also check MacLinks by clicking for more options below each result. Have questions? Ask us by visiting the library's website at www.macalester.edu/library.